Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. We are here at the Artist Connective shoot at the Eva Scrivo Salon in New York City. I am here with Haley Garber. How do we follow you on Instagram?
At Beauty by Haley Garber, HALEYGARBER.
All right, so we're in the middle of the photo shoot, and we walked over here, and Haley is improvising. She's creating the most beautiful florets. She's going to break it down, but before we do that, look at look at what she's doing here. Look at what you really.
Shoe. I'm using my shoe here. I realized I needed some tension to be able to braid this, and I looked down and I was like, well, my foot works.
And before she was on the floor, and it was literally on your ankle. You're just okay. So tell us what you're doing here and what you're creating.
Okay, so I took two of the Great Lengths extensions here, and I doubled them up, and then just slid the pin in through them. And then I'm braiding this all, it's going to come all the way down here. And I'm pulling this out, mostly using my nail to open up one side of the braid, and these are the petals. And so when I finish this, I'll coil it around to create this kind of a shape right here, but prettier.
So you coil it into itself, and how do you secure it? I mean, how many pins are in there keeping it together? I hate for you to undo this. She's already created about 5,000 of these. They're lying all over the place. So
right here, I'm going to come to the bottom, and what I use then is I use a traditional hairpin, so your U-shaped pin, and I coil this around here to do that. Let me grab these. Securing it here, and then why I use a U-shaped pin is because I don't want to disrupt my braid, so I need to twist it in and around itself. And there's my center. But if I used a regular bobby pin, it would push through and it would ruin it. So I want to use this to come on either side and push that through, and that gives me my center. And I don't have to worry about it disrupting every shape that I'm trying to create now. And I just continue to coil, and I'm using little mini bobby pins for this because they're so small, and using that to secure. And this all goes down and underneath. And then I can adjust and hide this pin later on. I just have to build my shape here. And then I would finish with tucking all the ends underneath. And you can kind of see that here on this one. So I tuck them under and then push more pins through underneath to create a good base to it. And then this pin doubles up, and it'll be the pin that I use to slide it into the hair and secure that way. So what I'm doing then is I use the nude peach on this one from KMS, and I'm spraying them to create different colors, so it's going to give a really pretty layered effect.
So your tip of the day is wear sandals to every shoot and every time you're in the salon to make sure you. But I saw you over there. You were every time I turned around, she was on the floor. Then you had a mannequin head. Then you were against the mirror.
Yeah, I'm all over the place.
So these are the tapes, the GL tapes.
Yes.
So you actually had the tape that you could secure it.
Yeah.
And it doesn't matter to have the tape when you're actually putting in the hair because now you're using the bobby pin. So clever and creative. Congratulations again. How do we find you?
On Instagram and on Facebook, it's at Beauty by Haley Garber.
And where are you located?
I am located in Dayton, Ohio.
All right. Yeah. All you brides out there and all you people looking for something fabulous, check her out. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.